Burdock oil to promote healthy hair growth. The plant has large leaves, purple flowers, seeds in the form of small spherical burrs, hence the name burdock, and roots that are used for cosmetic and medicinal purposes. Burdock is said to have been used for centuries by various cultures, which explains its many names. It has been used in food and drinks, as well as in traditional medicine. If this is your first visit to our channel, subscribe here for more health videos and get energizing and advice on health. Uses of burdock oil. All of the parts of the burdock plant are used for practical and medicinal purposes. The root sometimes serves as food, while the seeds can be used to make a decoction to lower fevers. Herbalists blend tincture of the plant root with other herbs to treat joint problems. Poultices of roots or leaves are applied to minor cuts or bruises, while a wash of the root can be a handy acne treatment. Hair growth and scalp maintenance are often highlighted as the primary uses of burdock oil. This oil offers nutritional support to your scalp and deeply nourishes your follicles. Burdock oil has also been marketed for hair loss, with products readily available in cosmetic stores, and can be massaged onto your hair 3 times a week for maximum results. It helps restore the function of your hair follicles and sebaceous glands, further protecting against scalp dryness. Benefits of burdock oil. Given its vitamin A and essential fatty acids, which include rare long-chain AFAs, burdock oil 5 can help strengthen your hair by nourishing your scalp. These nutrients are required in maintaining a healthy scalp and promoting natural hair growth. There is a combined support from their relieving effect and support of normal functions of sebaceous glands and hair follicles. Burdock oil may also help in the treatment of scalp infections and irritation caused by dandruff. It assists in reducing scalp itching, redness and other symptoms, as well as promotes hair growth. Regular use of it is promoted for helping restore and enriching the health and appearance of your scalp and hair. Thanks for watching this video. Hit a like, turn on the notifications and enjoy receiving more from Healthy Life Fame. Hoping to see you next time.